smack bang in the middle of a nice warm KZN summer. I find water all over my floor, steam coming out my engine, which is usually not a good sign. So I come out because Eugen is always preaching on my radio show about fluids and steam. So I'm here again, and I got the handsome Maurice with me this afternoon, and he's explained to me what the problem is. So Maurice, what did I do now?
Well, actually what you did, Vanessa, the radiator on the vehicle has actually failed. In the sense of it developed a leak on the core of the radiator. So how to diagnose this? We basically put on the radiator pressure tester. We pressurize the system to see if it was holding pressure or not, firstly. Secondly, from there we're able to diagnose where the leak was coming from. Obviously see where the pressure was leaking from. And then from there obviously we gave Vanessa a quote to replace the radiator, which she authorized. We put in a brand new radiator to the vehicle with new water, new antifreeze. We've run the vehicle, we tested to make sure the fan, everything's coming on, and the vehicle's back in tip-top form again.
The thing about it all is that when you have any vehicle, especially in the summertime, I know that if you don't attend to something, as soon as you find that there's a problem, you're probably going to have a bigger problem. Isn't that right? What if I left it? Let's say I'd left it.
Definitely. If you had left it, all the water would eventually leak out the vehicle without your knowledge. You would have been driving and
stuck in
most would
traffic.
have heat seized. Would have costed you thousands, literally. So yeah, this time of year it is quite hot. Please keep an eye on fluid levels in the vehicle, especially radiator. If you're not sure how to do it yourself, maybe stop at a garage or a workshop. Ask them to check it for you. Like when there's anything leaking or steam coming from the engine, please attend to it straight away. If you don't, there is a chance it may cost you thousands.
So if you're in a parking bay and the floor is dry and you come back and it's soaking wet, problem. Trust me.
Or even if you're not too sure, for peace of mind, rather just have it checked, okay, every once in a while, just to make sure everything's fine.